And now it's time to show you how to use the Dungaroo for a baby.
So I have the honor of showing you how to do this. We're going to start by doing the carrying of a smaller child, which we do with a sling to kind of help you give that additional support and for you to feel more comfortable, that your baby is better supported. So what you start to do is that you check the sides, that your waistline is tight enough. So by unclipping here and clipping into one of the other hoops, you make sure that your waistline is tight enough so your baby doesn't fall down your legs, and that when you do unstrap here, that the trousers stay put on your hip and doesn't drop down to the floor. The next step is simple. Disconnect the shoulder straps. And what you will see here is a little surprise, and that is that we have a zip. And the zip is meant to be attached to this sling. So what you do is you attach the sling. There we go. Now the sling is attached. And so you take the two legs, I would say, of this sling and you chuck them over each shoulder. Take them around, cross them, go back to the front, cross them again, and make a double knot in the back. So you double knot.
You make this knot here as a double knot to make sure that it's secure.
Now we make sure that it's all in position, and now, and also in order to get your baby easier in, you can actually drop one side of the sling, so it's easier to put Camilla in.
This is Camilla, hi.
So this is our demo doll, or firstborn. So she's gonna jump in here, make herself comfortable, and I'm gonna get her leg through there, and then I'm gonna take this back over my shoulder. And make sure that the legs are nicely tucked on both sides of your waist or your rib cage. And the sling needs to be all the way out to their knees so they get the support that they need. When she's in now, you make sure that the sling in front is under her bum to support her bum, but also to even out the weight distribution on your back. So the shoulder sling needs to be evened out on your shoulders to even out the weight. And now you can actually close your bib. If your baby is really small, you make sure that you give it a little bit of extra support for their neck until the point that they can carry their heads themselves. The good thing about the Dungaroo in this situation is that you can carry your child and you don't have to bring any nappy bags or the stroller. You kind of have little short excursions covered. We really look forward to seeing your ways of carrying your babies and infants in the Dungaroo. So make sure to tag us in your posts on social media. We're both on Facebook, Instagram, and for business, we're on LinkedIn.